Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Eva Closet reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So now we are going to discuss about the website. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with clothing products, bags, wallets, totes and many other products. So if you're interested in checking them out, you have to visit to their official website. Now we are going to discuss about the other details of this site. So first we'll check their payment method. So they've given it here. You can pay through Amex, Apple Pay, Google Pay, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, and some more. Now, if you want to know about the shipping policy, well, this website doesn't have any separate page section for the shipping policy. As you can see, they haven't given it here. But if you go to the checkout zone, you will find it out there. So they have mentioned that they will provide the shipping timing in the checkout zone. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 9th of August 2020 and it will expire on 9th of August 2022, which means it is a 1-year-old website. Now if you want to know about their About Us details, as you can see, they don't have any separate page section for that. But they have provided some details about their Eva's Closet in their main homepage. But they haven't mentioned anything about their business establishment here or about their founder identity. So next, if you want to know about the contact details, that also they have provided in their main homepage. They have given the contact number and the email address. But as you can see, the email address name does match the domain name, so this can be taken as a positive sign. Now about the social media presence of this website. So this website has only social media presence over Instagram, but they have very few amount of followers. So this is a negative sign. So next we are going to check the return and refund policy. So they have mentioned that if you want to return the item, you have to return it within 14 days. And about the refund, they have said that once your refund have been approved, they will send you money back to your original mode of payment. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Eva Closet reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust index score of this website is only 20% and the business trust ranking is only 50.9%, which is very low and bad. Also, the content quality seems to be plagiarized. So, in the conclusion of the Eva Closet reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. Though this website is quite old and it has got some social media presence, but the main point is that it doesn't have any reviews. Also, they haven't provided their full contact details, so it is a scam website. But guys, we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day.